In a wildfire, floating embers from miles away could pose a possible threat to your home. The WASP gutter mount sprinkler is trusted by fire departments and government agencies across North America and is essential for structural protection units used by BC Wildfire. Made from tough, heat-resistant plastic, this kit connects to standard hoses, clips on easily with any household pole, and is proven effective. One kit protects a standard home, an easy, affordable way to stay prepared. Get your kit today by visiting waspwildfire.com.